When Boone turns into Bane. It is almost fascinating for each and every one of us कि हम ज़ोडिएक साइंस की पर्सनालिटीज़ चेक करते रहते हैं, लेकिन इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि कैसे हमारे ज़ोडिएक स्ट्रेंथ्स हमारी वीकनेस भी बन सकती है. So guys, welcome back once again. Do subscribe my channel if not subscribed and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. पहला sign of the zodiac is none other than Aries, element है fire, and often पहला साइन होने की वजह से काफ़ी ambitious होते हैं, काफ़ी competitive होते हैं और इनकी will power बहुत strong होती है. Being the first sign, they often come out as natural leaders and because of that कभी कभी ये बहुत bossy बन जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से ये aggression में आ जाते हैं, सबको control करने लग जाते हैं और situations पे impulsively react करते हैं. Aries, you can be wonderful leaders, but it's okay at times not to lead. The next zodiac sign is Taurus, representing earth element. Taurus people काफ़ी ज़्यादा homely होते हैं, grounded होते हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा stability होती है इनमें, one of the most hardworking signs, and at the same time जिद काफ़ी ज़्यादा होती है जिसकी वजह से वो काम पूरे भी कर पाते हैं. लेकिन इसी जिद की वजह से they are very inflexible at times. वो अपने ही विचार, अपने ही तरीके खाली यूज़ करना चाहते हैं और situations पे कभी कभी non compromising भी नज़र आते हैं. Taurus, you're wonderful people and very warm, but कभी कभी दूसरों की भी जिद पूरी कर दीजिए. The next zodiac is Gemini, representing the air element. As just like air, they are everywhere. Yes, they are very communicative, they are very social. इनकी social circle काफ़ी बड़ी होती है. They are very smart individuals. हर एक situation में adapt हो सकते हैं और they live in the moment. As always on the go, they give a lot less attention to things, because of which they come out as irresponsible and indecisive. Geminis, your communication skill is awesome, but make sure you don't spill the beans. The next sign we have is a water sign, which is Cancer. People born in Cancer, they are very much into the emotions. One of the most emotional signs of the zodiac, ये इंसानों के emotions को काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से sense कर लेते हैं. They are very empathetic. They are very dependable and they are very protective also for their loved ones. लेकिन because ये बहुत ज़्यादा emotion sense कर लेते हैं, कभी कभी ये बहुत over sensitive हो जाते हैं, over think करने लग जाते हैं और बहुत moody turn out होते हैं. They also can be dead pessimistic. Our caregivers, please don't be too personal and too serious. Turn on the spotlight because Leos are here. One of the fire signs of the zodiac. Leo people are attention seekers. इनको बहुत attention चाहिए होता है, अपने बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा बात करते हैं. Okay, they are born natural leaders. They are very generous also, charismatic होते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा confident होते हैं. लेकिन because वो बहुत ज़्यादा confident होते हैं और अपने में ही indulged होते हैं, they come out as very egoistic at times. उनमें बहुत pride दिखता है, कभी कभी dominating भी हो जाते हैं और since attention seek करते हैं, they crave for validation, they crave for being noticed. Leos, we love to give you attention, but please understand others too deserve that at times. The next sign is an earth sign, Virgo. Virgo लोग जो होते हैं ना, वो scrutinize बहुत अच्छी तरह से करते हैं हर एक चीज़ों को. are very analytical. Analysis करने में माहिर होते हैं, problems को बहुत अच्छी तरह से देख लेते हैं और solve कर सकते हैं. And they are very logical. Virgo people are very analytical और ये चीज़ को काफ़ी ज़्यादा detailed तरीके से देखते हैं. That is why कभी कभी ये बहुत over critical हो जाते हैं खुद पे और दूसरों पे. They become doubtful or skeptical and they can't agree with people. Virgos, we know you want good for all, but please let us live at least. Suggest us when we want it. The seventh sign we have is an air sign, which is Libra. Libra people are very gracious, they are likable, they are fair-minded people in their own terms. Because they are one of the most comforting signs of the zodiac, they turn out to be diplomat and also वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा balance करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Situations को balance करने का ये जो trait है इनमें, because of that they actually end up avoiding confrontations. They avoid important discussions in their life and often turn out to be indecisive. Also they are attracted to beauty and because of which कभी कभी वो बहुत superficial act करते हैं. Librans, we also don't like conflicts, but please make sure you discuss important topics for a decision. The next we have a water sign, Scorpio. Known for its intense and passionate behavior and nature, Scorpios are also regarded as the dark signs. ये बहुत ज़्यादा loyal होते हैं, wit इनमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा होती है, इनमें bravery बहुत ज़्यादा होती है and because of that, चूँकि ये बहुत passionate होते हैं, loyal, dedicated होते हैं, ये धोखा देने पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा vengeful हो जाते हैं. They are very very brute and bitter at times because of that, and लोगों पे जल्दी विश्वास नहीं कर सकते. Being intuitive, they can go really deep. Scorpios, don't dig everything so deep. We come to our another sign, which is Sagittarius, another fire sign. Sagittarius people are also regarded as one of the most independent among the whole zodiac. So when I come to Sagittarius, ये लोग काफ़ी ज़्यादा enthusiast होते हैं, एनर्जी में बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. They love to explore और बहुत knowledgeable होते हैं. Because वो बहुत knowledgeable होते हैं, they always try to learn new things. नई नई चीज़ों को ट्राई करना इन्हें बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And because of that, वो focus बहुत जल्दी लूज़ कर लेते हैं. Because they have a lot of knowledge, कुछ ज़्यादा ही preachy बन जाते हैं. And because they're experimentative, they end up being too unpredictable. You can reach heights if you're focused till the end. The next very ambitious sign of the zodiac is Capricorn, another earth sign. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोग्रेस एंड करियर एंड वर्क फोकस्ड इंसान होते हैं. वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिसिप्लिन्ड होते हैं, इंटेलिजेंट भी होते हैं एंड प्रैक्टिकल भी होते हैं. बिकॉज उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा डिसिप्लिन एंड काम करने का तवज्जो होता है, उसकी वजह से काफ़ी ज़्यादा ये लोगों पे हावी हो जाते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ विच दे कम आउट टू बी कंट्रोलिंग एंड एरोगेंट. बीइंग प्रैक्टिकल, दे कंसिडर टैंजिबल अचीवमेंट्स एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट they have a sense of superiority in them. Capricorns, you motivate us, but then achievements, progress and growth are different for different people. The next online is another zodiac, Aquarius, another air sign. जो लोग Aquarius को जानते हैं, उन्हें पता है कि वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होते हैं. They are very very interesting people, a lot of ideas they have, they are very diverse, बहुत कुछ करते रहते हैं, and they are very very creative also. Being creative and in their own world, they turn out to be very insensitive to other people's emotions. They are apathetic, they are detached and they are not available when they are needed the most. क्योंकि वो बहुत कुछ diverse चीज़ों पे indulged होते हैं, they turn out to be very impulsive in executing those things. Be sensitive and available for others' creativity as well. The last sign of the zodiac is another water sign, which is Pisces. Being a water sign, they are obviously high in emotions. They are the artists of the zodiac. They are very artistic. They are very very loyal as friends and mates. And also because they are high in emotions, they are very very intuitive to an extent that they end up being oversensitive at times, and they also reach to a level of self-exhaustion. Also, they keep on doubting themselves for being less and not good enough to others, which boosts their negative mood. Stop exhausting yourself, Pisces. Always remember, we all are different and that's special and unique. Thank you so much for being with me. Besides that, these are my findings. It may be true, may not be true. Please take it accordingly. आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा. एक बार फिर मैं रिमाइंड कर देती हूँ. Thank you once again. Stay tuned for more interesting videos like this and varied content.